Now, we've had a warning that you're going to help us try and work out what the Milky Way weighs, and we've been told that he won't hit us while he's doing it.
What?
So, did you not get that warning?
What are we talking about?
So I have this highly technical, highly scientific experiment. This is not my child's toy, or at least it isn't today. So this koala on a string will show us how we can weigh the mass of the galaxy, right? So the idea is in space you'll have objects that will swing around. So I'm just going to stand, because as you swing this koala around, the more force is required to hold on to it, the faster it goes. Now I'm going very fast. The longer you make the string, so the further its orbit, and even faster is even more force. If you didn't have the force of the string holding on, I was aiming for you, Nate. Sorry.
Came that close.
So in this case, the more force is required to hold on to the object, the faster it's orbiting and the further away it's orbiting. In space, we have the stars, or globular clusters instead of the koala. There's no strings in space. There's only the force of gravity. So in other words, if we see objects like these globular clusters floating around our Milky Way galaxy, if they orbit very quickly, we know there's a lot of gravity holding on. That gravity is just the mass of the Milky Way. We've now measured the motion of these globular clusters with Hubble and Gaia, and have got a definitive answer on the mass of our galaxy. We weigh 1.5 trillion times the mass of the Sun. Now, this is a very large galaxy. It's we're on the slightly beefier side, but key to this is that most of the material that we can see in our galaxy, the stars and the gas, they do not explain that mass. Most of the mass of the Milky Way is invisible. This was something first noted by Vera Rubin, an American astronomer. She gave us this challenge to explain what is the missing 4/5. This is the dark matter, and it's just those simple kind of experiments. Literally, a koala on a string. That's the kind of experiment you can actually prove that our universe has a dark side, and it is the dominant side of our universe.
Perfect. How is the koala, by the way? Where did the koala end up?
I think I need to buy my kid a new toy.
Battered koala.
No animals were hurt in the process of making this segment.